I started this video halfway through. As you can see, I've already started braiding a few braids, and I'm using Melanin hair care to moisturize my hair while I have it protective styled in the front with those cornrows. And I don't have a specific braid pattern in mind. I'm just kind of just braiding as I go. I did look at a few styles on Instagram and YouTube, and I just kind of combined a few. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I got super tired and I decided to make the middle just one big braid. I did see that as a style on Instagram, so I figured, okay, obviously someone else felt my pain and they decided to make one big braid instead of multiple small ones. And I wasn't sure how I was going to do my braids in the front, so I decided to do a flat twist in the front and just kind of tuck them underneath the clip-ins, as you will see in just a few moments. I don't know if it's just me or not, but I get so thirsty when I'm doing my hair, like literally dehydrated. It's like it takes a lot of energy out of me. But anyways, here are the clip-ins. Again, these are clip-ins that I've had in previous videos. I will try to link a few videos below where I have done several reviews on these clip-ins that are in number 27 Ombre that I purchased from Amazon. And I know these clip-ins are a little lighter than my natural hair color, or not my natural hair color, but my current hair color, and I am in the process of brightening my hair even brighter, so that's why I purchased the number 27 as opposed to the number 30 for the clip-ins. But yeah, stay tuned guys, eventually my hair will be a little brighter, so I didn't think it looked bad having the number 27 with my current hair color. I actually really liked it, and I hope you guys do too. And off camera, I added those beads in the front. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I deleted that part of the video, but hopefully you guys can kind of figure out how to add those beads to your hair. Now I'm unraveling my real hair to put it over my clip-ins. Another trick is to flip the top clip-in upside down, which I showed in a different video. But anywho, you'll see here I am just hiding my twisted braids in the front within the clip-ins. And later on in the video, I may actually end up hiding a little bit more of my real hair because I think I left too much out. And to be honest, the less hair of yours that you leave out, the better. But of course, I'm not just leaving my hair out like that. I'm actually going to do twist outs in the back with my real hair covering my clip-ins and just kind of intertwining my natural hair with the clip-ins together so it has a more natural look, just because I didn't want to do the wash and go look. So you'll see that, and also you will see me kind of rearranging my clip-ins in the back. To be honest, clip-ins are just really what feels right for you. You just kind of have to practice. So you may do it the first time and it looks bulky and you don't like it, but I would just say keep trying and be patient. And I'm using Mielle Organics, their styling gel, for my twist outs. My real hair loves, this is one of my favorite twist out gels, so I'm using that for my twist out, and I'm hoping that I have the same great results with my clip-ins as I do with my real hair. I don't see why I wouldn't, but we'll see. And in the middle of doing my hair, I ran out of my styling gel, but me being the product junkie I am, I searched through my products, and guess what? I found some. And you may see me cutting my hair at the very end. I don't necessarily recommend this if you have clip-ins, only because you may not put your clip-ins in the exact same place as you do the next time you wear them. But I don't know, I'm crazy, I didn't care, and I just wanted my hair to look really good for the style. So if you do see me cutting my clip-ins, just know that's why, and this is not the first time that I cut them. Okay, so I am wrapping up now. I'm pretty much all done. In the next few seconds you'll see. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I did post this little mini clip. And these were clip-ins, by the way, surprise! So I'm going to go to sleep and you'll see how it looks the next morning. One thing about me is you will usually know how I feel based on my facial expressions, because I am not really good at faking it. I did leave way too much hair out, so in the next few clips you will see that I tucked more of my real hair within the clip-ins, and then once I did that, I was happy with the results. So this is less frizzy once I tucked some more of my natural hair in. And that's all, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions. Give me a thumbs up, and most of all, do not forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching.